different types of surge protection device. We have type 1, type 2 and type 3. A type 1 device, or lightning current arrestor, is installed at main distribution level to protect against lightning over voltages. A type 2 device, or surge arrestor, is installed at main distribution or sub-distribution level and is designed to withstand surge over voltages or indirect lightning currents. A type 3 device is installed within 5 meters of terminal equipment or electronic equipment we look to protect, things such as computers, servers, or any sensitive electronic equipment. Type 1 and 2 devices are typically combined, so we have a type 1 and 2 device.